What is up, everybody? It is Fitz back here with a brand new video, and today we're going to change the oil on my BMW E90. So this goes for E90, E91, E92. I don't know. It goes for BMWs, all right? So yeah, let's get right into it.
Chooky beat. Chooky beat.
So update, I have been turning the oil drain plug for so long now, and I was either turning it the wrong way or it's stripped. But I'm gonna try to fix it now. Not fix it, but just I can't really stop, so. Anyways, so I have been turning this oil plug bolt for probably 20 minutes of turn time, and then probably like 40 minutes of like trying to get it out. And like I said in a previous video, you know, things never go as they're supposed to. So I'm waiting on my friend Kyle to get here, and we're gonna see if we can get out. So I have no idea what time it is. I think it's like 8:30. I still have school tomorrow. Yeah, so also my phone's on 1%, so I gotta charge it. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me still. Just sitting on the floor waiting for Kyle to get here. So that's the update. Hello, everyone. You may notice that my car is on the ground and that there wasn't a video here. As you can see, all of my stuff is on the ground there, and I messed up. So I messed up. Probably the easiest thing you can mess up. And I turned the oil plug the wrong direction and stripped either the bolt or the inside of the oil pan. So yeah, it is 9:20. It has been about, I don't know when I started this video. I think I started around 7, so it's been 2 hours. Yeah, I didn't get my oil changed. I messed up. I hope there's some funny footage. Kyle ended up coming over and just verifying or confirming that it was a stripped bolt. So so from here, I think my mom is gonna drive it tomorrow to a shop and see how much damage was done. This can either be the bolt or the whole oil pan, so I don't know. There'll be more videos soon. It's really different when you're upside down. You should just make sure you're doing it right. But anyways, there's all my stuff again, and I'm tired and I'm gonna go to sleep. So that was the video. This was supposed to be how to change your oil on a BMW E90, but that clearly did not happen. So what is up, everybody? It's now 10 o'clock. After stripping my oil plug, my mom and I are gonna drive it over to a local shop, and they're just gonna have to do the oil change there, and they're going to have to rethread the oil pan and then just put a new bolt in there. So don't expect an oil change video anytime soon. So yeah, we're gonna take it over. Wish me luck. I hope my engine does not seize up on the way over there. And yeah, so hopefully it doesn't leak all the oil on the way there, because it's leaking. So big shout out to Mom for the help. And we got the stuff loaded up. Thankfully I won't have to pay for that. But yeah, we're just on our way to the shop right now, so I'll tell you guys when we get there. Also, I have a little bit of oil in the trunk in case I can't make it all the way there or a warning light pops up. So that's a little bit of a safety, kinda, not really, but anyways, still on our way to the shop. Alright, so my oil sensor is finally working now, and it says we are okay. I have enough oil, so if that drops I'll be pulling over, but for now we're good. Alright, so I don't know if you can see me very well. We're here at the shop. We're just gonna leave it here overnight, and like I said before, they're gonna do the oil change here, and hopefully I get it back tomorrow. But tonight was terrible and I messed up it. So now this is the end of the video. I will see you guys when I get my car back.